Good morning, everyone. And my name is Shipra. And today I'm here to share with you something really close to my heart. Okay, as we all know that the world has really changed in 2020. In fact, I'm one person who has always been not so much conscious, but yes, a little bit conscious on my health and the around environment. But 2020 made a huge impact. In fact, a huge impact on my personal life. And you know why? Because in January 2020, my son, when I was traveling, he suffered something called zoster. I was not even aware of what is this. And later on, I got to know it's a repeat of a chicken pox, and it happens due to the lack of immunity in the body. And suddenly, boom, what happens in February? We all talk about immunity throughout the year. People have been thinking, talking, and our whole life has completely changed and evolved in 2020. Things which we have ignored to the maximum, like basic of washing our hands, has become an integral part of everyday's routine. And my personal life has really changed in 2020 when it comes to the immunity. Why? Because I realized that my son needs extra care of immunity, which I have never paid attention to. And this has made me realize that how much life is important and how many things around us are the smallest way which we ignore are also important for us. And we became aware and we became very conscious about taking care of all these things which can help our health, our well-being, our surroundings, our immune system to be on the best possible platform to avoid any kind of diseases and so many bacteria around in the environment, and our body can take these changes and live a better life. And in fact, you know what has happened? That I know one of my friends where both the couples inside the same house, living in the same surroundings, and one has been tested positive while the other is negative. And that's so strange, you know? And that brings to that question that why and how and what is this happening? I mean, how can I be more healthy? And trust me, I was so curious that I went into researching this whole thing. I know Google, but still, I tried going through a lot of articles, going through the research, and everything. After observing, I realized that it is all because of our immune system and one specific something which is called natural killer cells. Okay, and these are the people and these are the things which are reasons, because of which every individual body is different and responds different to this whole infection across us.
Natural killer cells, or NK cells for short, are the key to detecting and killing viruses in our bodies, and they even have the ability to kill tumour cells. These cells are like powerful microscopic soldiers in our body, and because they don't require long activation processes like other immune cells, they can act very fast in detecting any virus that comes into our body before triggering an immediate immune response to prevent the virus from infecting our cells. However, their activity and numbers can be affected by stress and illnesses. Studies have shown that people with less NK cells are more prone to virus attacks. That is why we need something to give these soldiers a boost. Introducing Edge, the perfect stimulant to boost the production of your natural killer cells and strengthen your immunity to fight off all those unwanted viruses. It does this by increasing your body's glutathione production, an antioxidant that plays a central role in the activity of natural killer cells and supports the function of other immunity cells, such as T cells. Research has shown that amino acid blend in Edge has been able to reduce the Zika virus replication by up to 90%, effectively destroying the virus in its host.
Natural killer cells is not the only thing we need to worry about. The low level of natural killer cells are actually dangerous, but there is something more. And while doing the research which I came across, and it was very shocking, that something called free radicals. Yes, I know you have never heard about it, and neither did I. But when I got to know about it, it was amazing, but scary also at the same time. You know why? Because while we are eating our food and our food is getting converted into energy, these free radicals are getting produced by our body, which are impacting our cells. There are times when you are in the sun and you are actually thinking, oh my God, I'm enjoying the sun. But there are times also when free radicals are getting produced. Imagine, while we are breathing, at that time also, the free radicals are being produced in our body. And there are times when you're exercising and there are approximately 10,000 free radicals bombard our body at that particular time. How many times it has happened that you've gone to a gym or you've done a workout or you've just gone for a walk and you come back sweating and you're exhausted and you feel like, oh my God, I'm really tired and exhausted. And this happens because at that time, the free radicals are actually impacting your body. And you know what? After doing all this research, there's only question which comes to my mind is, okay, I got the knowledge. I understood what is impacting my body, but what to do?
Give your body the hydrogen it needs. Hydrogen is a quick and effective antioxidant that travels in and out of your cells almost instantly, thanks to its small size. This allows it to provide your cells with immediate protection from free radicals. H2Go is an innovative molecular hydrogen tablet with the highest therapeutic dosage and a hint of lemon lime for that extra taste of freshness. One tablet of H2Go into a bottle of water is packed with a natural and powerful antioxidants, just what your body needs to neutralize the free radicals in your body. H2Go also contains essential magnesium minerals to give your immune system that extra boost it needs to help you stay healthy. And that's not all. By protecting your body's energy powerhouse from free radical damage, H2Go will also give your energy an instant boost.
Wow. You know, guys, this is one of the reasons I feel extremely proud to be associated with our company. In fact, sometimes I always think that, nowadays we rely a lot on scientific methods of doing everything. Like we want to go and research, we want to look into science, we want to know the logical reasons behind everything. But the fact of the matter is there are a lot of traditional and natural ways also to keep our body very healthy. And in fact, something which is very, very personally, if I would say, I really like and adore the product, but something which is very interesting is olive leaf extract. It is one of the best things which we can use and make our body really strong.
Olive leaves have antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Known as a potent antioxidant that is 5 times more powerful than vitamin C, they're a force to be reckoned with as they protect your immune system. Olay's olive leaves are picked during a sunrise harvest and then processed almost immediately and bottled. This helps to protect and retain as much of the natural properties of the olive leaves as possible. It then reaches you and all you have to do is pour it out and slurp it up. Let Olay do the rest for you.
Me and my son both, we love the product called Olay. Especially because of the flavor. The peppermint taste, it makes it really easy for any child to have it. And in fact, you will think, and I know every mother worries about giving any kind of a thing to their kids. And I have a 13-year-old who's been having this product from long time. And I can tell you, the taste is so good that you don't have to feed them forcefully, but they really like to have it. And it's very healthy. In fact, Edge, H2Go, and Olay, all 3 are amazing products which really helps to improvise your immune system. But don't forget, they are supplements. We really need to provide our body a lot of other things along with these supplements to make it a healthy body. For example, drink a lot of water, hydrate yourself, flush out the toxins in your body. And that, along with the supplement, will really make your body work in a lot of magical ways you cannot even think about. We are very, very careful about our body externally and internally both. But along with that, it is also very important to take care of our surroundings. And trust me, when you have little ones at home, it becomes really a tough thing. How much ever you tell them, they would always end up doing things which you would have not even thought about. Like I have 2 dogs at home and I know how much ever I tell my son, he will go play with them and then eat food without even washing hands. How much ever I sanitize them or tell him, sometimes or the other he keeps missing out. And the only thing as parents we can do is to sensitize them, is to keep telling them. And that's what I do, make him aware. But at the same time, there are a lot of things which are not visible. There are a lot of bacteria, there are a lot of viruses around in our home, in our surroundings, which are not visible to the naked eyes. And that is the time we really need to think that how do we secure ourselves and our loved ones from those kind of things. We can educate our kids to wash their hands all the time. But imagine there are times when you don't have water and soap. What to do then? How do you clean or sanitize yourself? You cannot keep using sanitizers all the time. So what to do?
Did you know that 70% of all contagious diseases are contracted through our hands? BioSilver to the rescue! Full of antibacterial properties thanks to the scientifically proven and exclusively patented Silversol technology. This nano silver gel has the power to protect you and your loved ones. It is mild and gentle, making it suitable for the hands and bodies of all ages. Use BioSilver as much as you need because it won't dehydrate your skin. Odorless, non-greasy and free of alcohol. This unique gel fits easily into your pocket. You can even clean all the surfaces around you with it for that extra precaution.
This is one of my favorite products. I can vouch you on this product. You know, this is something always in my bag, always in my house, not only in one room. In fact, I prefer keeping BioSilver all over, in my kitchen, with my son room, with my room, because it's one of the best products. And I can tell you guys, use this and see the benefit on everything you can think about, and you would never want to go out without using or having BioSilver in your wallet. And especially if you have your son or your daughter or your little ones, and in fact your elders, it's one of the best products you can think about. In fact, to be very honest, there are a lot of things around, especially in today's time, which has made us aware that how important it is to take care of our health. And we ignore all these small things. Thinking about immune system, who knew about immune system some time back? But today, while we are aware and while we know there are so many viruses across which can impact our health and our loved one health, why not take that extra step and extra care and make sure that we use such products which are around us available, which can help us increase our immunity system, boost our energies and keep us safe. Because a healthy individual is a healthy lifestyle, and a healthy lifestyle can lead to a better future. And the smallest changes in our life and the small these products can make our life really wonderful. I can vouch and I can tell you, I use all these products not because I love the company, but I love the products, but they're really good products. And you should use them because if you want your life, your family and your future to be healthy, you will make sure that you're taking care of yourself. And that starts from today, from now. So guys, do everything, whatever you can do to improvise your immune system. And always remember, prevention is better than the cure.